expectations for this superstar as this match gets underway?
Yeah, I expect to see a side of her that we've only seen glimpses of. I'm talking about her mean streak really coming to the forefront.
She certainly has that malicious side of her, and it could be extremely beneficial to let it out here.
But on the other end of the ring is a female with unparalleled focus. A woman who is unstoppable in and out of the ring. It's going to be very difficult to get the advantage on her.
And a slap for the exclamation point. Bam!
Evades their offense.
She's pushed into the corner. Countered it just in time.
Brilliant countering by both competitors.
And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength.
She's fighting back.
Final cut. Perfectly executed.
The springboard attack fails to land.
Side kick on the mark.
Turned that one around.
Rough landing off the suplex.
Into the cover. And she breaks free before a 1 count.
She just shocked everyone in the ring.
Oh, kick right to the face.
Oh, and she got out of there.
High angle exploder suplex.
She flips it back on her. The shoe might be on the other foot here.
Might be too late, but we shall see.
Drop kick.
Great athleticism.
She's starting to look concerned. This could do it. Still only got one.
She is still in this fight.
Placed in the corner.
Big stomp in the corner, creating a lot of separation.
Oh, man.
Soaring into the arm drag. Spectacular athleticism.
Drop kick. Looking to take flight here.
She wants to put an end to things here. Launching.
Diving DDT.
Planted.
She's showing signs of slowing now.
At this stage of the match, they are clearly starting to feel the effects of this back and forth.
And her resolve's looking unsteady here.
This is where her grit will be put to the test.
She's rising back up on those wobbly legs.
This may end it right here. Canadian Destroyer.
Now's the time to capitalize.
Cover. 1, 2. Oh, kicks out.
Escaping that pin must have taken almost everything she's got.
Well worth it. Look how frustrated her opponent is.
Sometimes when you unleash your best offense and it doesn't get the job done, you're taken out of your game. That's a real possibility now in this match. Counters. This could be an opportunity.
Another reversal. Eye for an eye here.
A determined sequence of attacks from her here.
You can tell she is fully focused now.
Is it enough? The cover! 2 count. A kick out at 2.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out. She's about to rise up to something catastrophic. Watch out! Oh, no! I don't care how bold you are. Missing on those kind of maneuvers will send you to a medical facility.
Medical attention might be needed out here. That was a nasty landing.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
Each superstar trying to stay a step ahead.
Suplex. Lights up.
She got the shoulders down. Oh, kick out. How did she do that?
That's really as close as it gets.
Strikes with a kick.
You have to sense that fatigue is starting to become a factor at this point.
Make no illusions of it. This is coming down to a battle of attrition.
Rolling thunder! And now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
You can tell she wants to put an end to this.
Take off.
DDT with diving delivery.
Amazing.
Looking for the victory! 2! No, she kicks out.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again. Uh-oh, look out.
Double leg drop!
Expertly applied suplex.
Grabbing the arms and just rapid stomps.
Stomp after stomp. Relentless.
The pillars of this building must be crumbling from the energy these fans are putting out right now.
These superstars are giving it their all, and this audience is giving it right back.
And finds a counter.
Ooh.
What is she gonna do? Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display.
Going for broke, and it pays off.
And she slides her back to the mat.
And attacking the belt.
Near the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
Spectre. Just like she envisioned.
2! Oh, she's still alive.
Somehow, someway, escapes defeat.
Still alive.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall.
Near the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go.
Spectre. See ya. Thanks for coming.
2 count. What a kick out. I don't believe it.
What is it going to take?
Army's grapevine. Trying to step through. Here it comes.
Tequila sunrise.
Oh, look at this. Is she gonna tap out?
Think of all the pain.
Looks like she has other plans here.
I think she was just looking to soften her up a little there.
Army's grapevine. Trying to step through. Here it comes.
An uncanny showing of power. This would be an amazing upset. And for some reason, she lets go of the hold.
Could have just been a tease of the potential agony that's yet to come.
She avoids the attack completely.
Rolling thunder stunner.
Kick to the face.
Oh my gosh, what impact. Army's grapevine. Trying to step through. Here it comes.